Suklayan mo, suklay.
This is the way.
Yung suklayan mo.
Love mo si ate, love mo. Hug. You're so cute. Oh, come on, you see. My hair. You're so funny. You're so funny. You're making fun.
Kantahan mo muna.
Are you happy? Dalan, are you happy? Ate Steph is here again. Are you happy?
You sing roar.
Ate?
You sing roar.
Sorry.
You
You're
sing
teasing.
roar.
Fight, girl. Fight. She become hyper when she saw Ate Steph. Kulot. You're not kulot. It's straight. It's not curly.
Then sabihin ni kantan siya.
Oh, you sing a song daw. Sing a song.
Roar, roar.
I am the eye of the tiger. Bakling na bakling. Asus.
Oh, suklayan mo naman siya. Siya naman, suklayan mo.
You brush Ate Steph.
Suklayan mo siya.
What are you doing, darling? You're making fun. Tell Ate Steph what is your name. Dalen, you tell Ate. Na-hyper. What are you doing?